It's good to be back to my icy cold lake. Let's see if I can find any bones. I was gonna try to do some photography, but I can't think straight. It's good to be out of an airplane after like 24 hours of flying and get some moisture into my lungs. My lady had to go to work today. More power to her. I just wanted to squeeze like a little bit of daylight out before it turned dark, and I'm behind the computer putting together videos and looking through images. But I really shouldn't be out. It's like someone's pee bottle. It's good to be home. Patagonia is amazing. And we would just drink straight water out of wherever. It had all those minerals in it. It really helped recovery, because each day we were doing at least 10 hours of hiking. It was the first time wearing my boots. The bones in my left foot on the top were all bruised. I shaved off some of the calluses that were forming last night and yesterday or whenever. It's freezing cold. We went from 88 degrees to, when we got off the plane, it was 39. I was still wearing shorts. I'm sure the temperature change doesn't help with illness. The plane pressure did not help at all. I mean, I thought my head was going to explode. I made a video out of it. I'll put together at some point. I just had to get out. I had to get out with some fresh air. It's good to be with my lady. The boats have been flipped here in the club, so we'll be getting out there pretty soon to do some walleye fishing and do some steelhead fishing. It's going to rain for 2 days or whatever, so hopefully by Monday, after all this eclipse craziness is going on, I guess. I don't know. When all the eclipse craziness is done, I will get to fishing again. There's so much fishing there in Fortis Natalis, and I did not get to partake because I didn't have any gear and my time was so limited. I feel like I've been running. Non-stop for a month, and now is the decompression time, but my head is such a fog that I can't regroup yet. Soon be back on the ball. I was sick before I left too. I was sick for like maybe 5 days. I don't even know. So many time zones and so many planes and I feel like I'm beat up physically and mentally. And would I do it all over again? Adventure of a lifetime. I have Rapa Nui in my veins now. I felt the Patagonian wind. Yeah. so different than here. And so I've invited all the friends that I've made to come here and stay whenever they want. But it's not that easy when you're in a place that's economically more crippled than Midwest, Ohio, heart of it all, home of rock and roll. Yeah. There's a lot of metalheads out there, and they know what Cleveland is. Alright, blah blah. I'm gonna try to find some bones.